Hey there guys, how's it going? And today we are going to be talking about the great stuff Gap and Cracks insulated foam sealant. Yes. Oh boy. Okay, well this stuff really does work. Okay, it is something that I've used for a very long time in my garage and underneath my sinks and places where I have little crevices and holes where bugs can get in, and just wind and cold air and different things, especially in my garage. It is a really good insulator. Okay, now what it does is there is a liquid foam that comes out of here. Now when it comes out in like a liquid form, but when it dries it looks like this. Okay, see how hard that is? It dries like, even this looks like a liquid. If it was just laying here, it would be like a little piece of liquid, and when it dries inside the cracks it looks like this, and it fills up the entire area. What happens is it fills up the area and then it expands. It expands really big, and it just blows up in there like popcorn, like poof. It just kind of oozes up into all the little crevices and cracks of that space and fills it up really nicely. And it really does work. It really makes all the little cracks and everything completely sealed, so no air can come through, and it feels like you have stopped all that little wind and all that, and you can actually see it happening right before your eyes. It doesn't take very long to dry. You should just let it dry like overnight and it will be solid. It will really be solid, and it's really, really good. I like it a lot. I've used it for a while, especially when I first got my home. In the garage and underneath my sink, I wanted to, seal things really nice. So I got this. I didn't know actually what I was going to use. When I first saw those issues, I thought I was going to use like some kind of a spackle or putty, something like that to fill in the in the cracks, kind of almost like a clay or something. But I was at the store, looking around, and I happened to just ask the attendant there, if they had anything like that, because I needed to fill in those cracks, and they guided me over to this, and it's quick, much quicker than digging down into a bucket of spackle or something to do in there. You really just point it, with this long nozzle into the space where you want it to go, and you can actually get up in there with this little nozzle here and then shoot it, and it will go all up in there, and it's very, very quick and right into all the spaces that were causing an issue. It also is good for, this is something else I use it for filling in, like if you have a space where like mice or a trail of some kind of bug or something that is coming through, it's a nice filler for that. We had a spot where we saw that a mouse, or maybe more than one mice were coming in and out of, and we used this and it filled it right up, and we didn't see them again. It was good. It really did the job. It really, really filled it up, and that's exactly what we needed. It's not usually used for that, but I figure anything that fills the hole is great. it really did do the job. And it's an actual foam, but it's a half foam, half plastic. I mean, because it's really hard when it dries. You know, it's really super hard. So, I mean, it's not like a rock hard where you can squish it, but it's solid. It really gets in there. It seals and just reduces all the unwanted drafts that come through your house. It really works well. I like it a lot, and I'll continue using it as I need it. Yeah, it's really good. All right, guys. Well, that is the Great Stuff Gaps and Cracks Insulated Foam and Sealant. Yeah, this always works well for me, and it'll work well for you. Okay, I hope you guys use this information, and I will see you next time. Okay, bye-bye.